Hello, researchers, and welcome to week 7 Coming Attractions. This is a big week for you, and I know time is flying so fast. So we're working on lit reviews. So the thing about a lit review is you got to establish what you have, what you've completed, what you need to do. So the first thing is, what can you do with what you had from Denise's class? And you've been working on the last couple of weeks to figure out what you've got. So at this point, you should be able to adapt your lit review to reflect any revisions in your topic. Your research is going to be moving forward. So at this point, you should have a lit review that's got probably about 5 articles in it. It might have more. We're going to get you much further than that. But for right now, this is a good place to be. I want you to evaluate what you have in terms of articles, prioritize, and then set it up so it's sort of settled and you can count on that. Then you are going to do a couple of readings all about research and all about lit reviews. You're going to start with conducting a search for articles. You're going to then go to the whole review process, the lit review process, and then finally you're going to talk about how you write a lit review. I think you'll find them to be helpful. There's 2 lit review videos for you. And then what are you going to do? You're going to submit to me your up-to-date copy of your lit review. I am so looking forward to seeing where you are. I look forward to our next visits. If there's anything you need, please feel free to reach out to me. Remember, we appreciate all of your hard work. This is a tough term with 2 classes. This is also the week that you finish Lisa's work. So let me know if there's anything I can do. And always remember, stay safe. Take care.